Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Pre-Owned. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of phrases and exploring the meaning behind pre-owned. It's a term you might have seen or heard in various contexts, particularly when shopping for cars, electronics, or even clothing. So, let's break it down together and ensure you can use and understand this term confidently. Pre-owned is an adjective used to describe something that has been owned by someone else before it came to you. It's synonymous with terms like used or secondhand, but pre-owned carries a slightly more formal and sometimes more positive connotation. For example, when a car dealership sells a pre-owned vehicle, they are selling a car that has had previous owners. However, by using pre-owned instead of used, it might imply that the car is still of good quality and has been well maintained. You might be wondering, why not just say used? Well, pre-owned tends to sound a bit more sophisticated and less negative than used. Businesses prefer using pre-owned because it can make the product sound more appealing, suggesting that while the item has been owned before, it is still in good condition and is a worthy purchase. Additionally, using pre-owned can sometimes imply that the item has been checked or refurbished by the seller to ensure it's in good working condition. This is particularly common in industries like electronics or automobiles. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use pre-owned in a sentence. I bought a pre-owned laptop, and it works just as well as a new one. The bookstore has a wide selection of pre-owned novels at a discounted price. Before buying a pre-owned car, make sure to check its service history and condition. In these sentences, pre-owned describes the condition of the item, laptop, novels, car, and helps the listener understand that the item has been owned by someone else before, but is still valuable. And that's a wrap on pre-owned. We hope this video has shed some light on what pre-owned means and how you can use it in your daily conversations or understand it better when shopping. Remember, pre-owned is just a more formal and sometimes more appealing way to say used or secondhand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.